Okay, let's begin. A variable is basically a piece of memory in our computer and it stores a value of some type. Whether it's a string, it's char, it's an int, short, long, float, double, or a bool. All these values are different and I'll explain a little of them. A string is basically a segment of characters. It could be a line of sentences with spaces in them. It could be quotes, segments, etc. Now chars store single character variables such as A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Ints are the primary type of variables that we're going to use in our program most of the times, and these store basically numbers, positive and negative. Now short is just a shorter version with a shorter range than the integer. Long is a signed integer that can store a longer range of integers than the integer. It's just basically bigger than the int. Now float uses decimals in them, like 1.123 and so on. Now double does a similar job than the float, but it does a more precise work than the float. Now the bool uses the terms truth and false. Now truth and false are keywords for C++, and in C++ 0 is also considered false, and any non-zero value will be positive and it will be considered true. Now why would we want to use short or long instead of pure ints? The reason is because short has a smaller amount of memory usage than an int. Now how do we declare a variable? It's very easy. We just declare the type, the name of our variable, and it ends with a semicolon. Now if we were to just print that variable, this would pull a random piece of memory from our computer and it'll just print it out because it's undefined. Now you can define it by assigning a number to it or a definition. When we declare a variable, we must give it a name. Giving it a name will make it easier to identify and refer to the variable. Now the name can be almost anything, but take this in account. Variable names must begin with a letter. Any variable that starts with numbers is illegal. Variables can include the underscore letters and numbers, but no other symbols, such as these. They must not be any keywords from the C++. You cannot name a variable float since it's a keyword for C++. Variables cannot have spaces between them. And last but not least, C++ is case sensitive. So if you write a word like this, it will not be the same as writing a word like this because they differ by case, as you can see. So if you like my videos, like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Thanks.